Hi, and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage playlists in Democraft AI Hub. In the Hub section, the library includes a playlist area where you can view, create, and manage playlists. To start a new one, click Add Playlist. We'll open an existing playlist here. You can add a title, a description, and choose the access type you want to provide. Democraft supports several access options, including open access, credentials-based access, and access with verification. Open access lets users access your playlist with no credentials required. With credentials-based access, users can enter their email ID or other details in the form to gain access. With verification and credentials, the system checks those details before granting access. You can also control which email IDs and domains are allowed, giving you precise access control for every playlist. You can also control whether access is limited to personal email IDs or business-only email IDs, giving you tighter audience control. Next, choose the playlist type that fits your use case. For example, a lead qualification playlist supports a guided conversational flow for sales teams. With a conversational playlist, users can ask questions as needed after watching the videos, and the agent responds in context. A static playlist works like a YouTube-style viewing experience, where users can watch videos, but not interact with the agent. These are the 3 playlist types we provide. You can also categorize each playlist by use case, making it easier to organize and track the right performance stats. You can add a welcome message, your company name, your product name, and a description of your product to give the agent better context and improve its responses. You can also define the target audience for the playlist, so it reaches the right users. Next, choose the playlist layout. You can display the videos horizontally or vertically, or place them on the left or right, similar to a YouTube-style experience. Finally, you can add custom instructions for the agent during conversation. For example, if pricing should not be discussed, you can direct users to a sales expert instead. Once everything is set, click Save and Continue. Since this playlist is already created, you can organize its videos into categories using the pre-existing options shown here. You can also add a custom category by typing a name and clicking Add Category. Once added, the category appears with the available videos. Right now, all videos are already assigned. If you remove one, it returns to the available list, and you can select it again and add it to the right category. Here you can see the playlists you've already created, along with the categories they contain. You can also add multiple categories and arrange them in the sequence that works best for your session. These categories are shown to users when the session begins, so they can choose the topics that matter most and quickly access the right content. Once the setup is complete, click Continue, and your videos will be added to the playlist. You can also add relevant documents to give the agent more context for user conversations. The better the supporting documents, the more informed and effective the agent will be. After selecting the documents, save your changes to create or update the playlist. Once your playlist is created, it appears here in the Edit section, where you can edit, delete, or share it. This section shows all the ways you can share your playlist. Here's the shareable link you can use with your prospects. You can also open it as a standalone demo app URL, so users can view the form and access the session they need. If you want to integrate it with your website, use the website-based link. Once opened, it appears inside your site, not as a standalone demo app or widget. Here you can see the widget integrated on the Democraft AI website, opening directly within the website. You can set it up the same way for your own site. You can copy the URL and share it with your audience. You can also customize the button shown on your website, then use the available details to share and integrate the demo link with your site. That's a quick overview of how to create, manage, and share playlists with your prospects. Thank you for watching.